Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest?
Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay.
Who was the first man to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Who was the first woman in space?
Valentina Tereshkova.
Who was the first man in space?
Yuri Gagarin.
Who was the first person to reach the South Pole?
Roald Amundsen.
Who was the first person to reach the North Pole?
Robert Peary.
Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest?
Junko Tabii.
Who was the first person to fly in an airplane?
Orville Wright.
Who was the first person to sail around the world expedition?
Ferdinand Magellan.
Who was the first person to discover penicillin?
Alexander Fleming.
Who was the first president of Bangladesh?
Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
Who was the first prime minister of Bangladesh?
Tajuddin Ahmad.
Who was the first Nobel Prize winner from Bangladesh?
Dr. Muhammad Yunus.
Who was the first Bangladeshi to climb Mount Everest?
Musa Ibrahim.
Who was the first female Everest conqueror from Bangladesh?
Nishat Majumdar.
Who was the first woman prime minister of Bangladesh?
Khaleda Zia.
Who was the first woman speaker of Bangladesh Parliament?
Shireen Sharmeen Chaudhry.
Who is the national poet of Bangladesh?
Robindranath Thakur.
Who is the national poet of Bangladesh?
Qazi Nazrul Islam.
Who designed the National Martyrs Memorial of Bangladesh?
Syed Manul Hussain.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first President of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
Who was the first woman President of India?
Pratibha Patil.
Who was the first Indian to go to space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize?
Robindranath Thakur.
Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal?
Karnam Malleshwari.
Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal?
Abhinav Bindra.
Who was the first Indian to win Miss World?
Rita Faria.
Who was the first Indian to win the Booker Prize?
Arundhati Roy.
Who invented the telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Who invented the electric bulb?
Thomas Edison.
Who discovered gravity?
Isaac Newton.
Who developed the theory of relativity?
Albert Einstein.
Who is known as the father of computers?
Charles Babbage.
Who invented the World Wide Web?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Who invented the radio?
Guglielmo Marconi.
Who discovered X-rays?
Wilhelm Röntgen.
Who invented the printing press?
Johannes Gutenberg.
Who discovered radium?
Marie Curie and Pierre Curie.
Who wrote Gitanjali?
Robindranath Thakur.
Who wrote Hamlet?
William Shakespeare.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Who built the Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan.
Who founded the Mughal Empire in India?
Babur.
Who won the first Nobel Prize in Literature from Asia?
Robindranath Thakur.
Who won the first Nobel Peace Prize from Bangladesh?
Dr. Muhammad Yunus.
Who has won the most Ballon d'Or awards?
Lionel Messi.
Who is known as the fastest man in the world?
Usain Bolt.
Who is known as the god of cricket?
Sachin Tendulkar.